It's a beautiful day. You are all welcome back to ChartsEmpire Trade Institute. We are live right now. We are live. We are live. Yes, we are live. So I need to make sure everything is going on great. Okay. Thank you for joining me here today. I went through some technical issues, so I have to quickly do some settings. Okay, we are live. Okay, guys. As usual, you guys can suggest any asset you want us to analyze in the market, and I will take my time to go through them, right? I'll take my time to go through it. Okay. And you can as well use the chat box to send any suggestion of assets you want us to analyze. Okay. So first, let's start from the foreign exchange market. Let's start from the foreign exchange market. Let's start with the GBP USD from the day chart. Right from the day charts. Yes, this is the day chart. Yesterday in the live stream on YouTube, I share with you guys my technical views on GBP USD, and I stated I am not yet interested to buy. I want to see how price would react to the upper band of this falling channel. We can see this level is still active. This is serving as a potential resistance for the price. So resistance is still above, the downtrend is still active. We haven't yet seen the change of bearish market structure in this downtrend. Yeah, the structure hasn't changed. So currently right now we are still in a downtrend. Please guys, let me know through the comment section if you can see my screen, if the chart is properly right, and then if you can hear my voice right. It's very important. So what am I looking out for right now? I'm still patiently monitoring to see how price would react to this upper band of this channel and the resistance structure, which acts at the price of the 1.23105. This level is still acting as a resistance for price. So right here we have multiple resistance structure. One, we have a dynamic resistance structure, and then two, we have a horizontal resistance structure. So this is a very powerful key level structure right here, and that is the reason I am not comfortable to initiate any buy or setup right here. No, I could have made a buy entry based on these rejections of this swing low right here, but based on the multiple rejections we got right here, this kind of discouraged me from buying at this medium. So this is why I think it's better not to long the GBP USD, because the market is still in a downtrend, and I am still monitoring this asset to see how price is gonna react. I'm patiently monitoring price reaction to see if price is going to continue the trend downward, or maybe price is going to still have a rejection upward, right? But I have a kind of aggressive buy entry right here. So let's check on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, I have this aggressive buy entry for those who want to make an aggressive buy entry, which is very risky. It's very risky. If you could see a support medium at this structure right here, yeah, could be a support medium at this structure right here. But anyways, I wouldn't like to long at this medium right here. So if you can apply the Fibonacci retracement from the swing low right here all the way to the peak right here, this would be the 0.328 Fibonacci retracement level. But does it really worth it to use to make an entry right here? It doesn't really worth it based on the risk factors right here. It's a very risky trade. I would have preferred to make an entry if price can make a retracement down all the way to the 0.5 or the 0.0618 right here. Anyway, this is still going to be a risky trade because it's like a kind of a choppy market medium right here. So I think the best thing right now to do in this market is just to patiently wait to see how price is going to react to this upper band channel and the horizontal resistance structure. If price can offer us a bullish strong breakout right here, then we could be looking out for a retest to validate that yes, the downward trend market structure has changed. So I still hold on to my technical views on this asset. I want to see price break out of the resistance structure right here before I can look for a long setup, right? Now let's check on the Euro USD. Euro USD. So Euro, okay. Euro USD still in a downtrend. We're still in a downtrend, but we at least seen out some potential change of market structure from the downside. But the change of market structure from the downside to the uptrend market is yet to be confirmed. Not yet confirmed. So currently right now, I am still careful with my existing buy position, and they already shared my risk management setup, trade management setup on this trade in the Telegram group. I have updated my stop losses. I trade the first entry I took at this medium right here. I already trade my the first trade to break even and the second trade to a small risk. So I've already reduced the two trades I took right here. I have reduced the risk. So if the market should eventually make a bearish switch of trend down, then I will just have to get out with a minor little risk, which is a kind of a very very low percentage on my trading account. It's not up to even 0.25. Okay, so which is not up to quarter of 1%. So that is my risk management, my trade management on the Euro USD. So let's see if today can eventually still give us a reversal, a bullish pullback out of this key level structure, because I stated traders shouldn't jump in right here. As a trader, you shouldn't jump in right here to buy. It is better you look out for a retracement. So those traders who jump in to buy this bullish bar right here, they are currently being retraced. Anyways, if you bought this bullish breakout bar right here, the best one to have your stop loss is at the tip of the low of this bullish candlestick right here. You could have your stop loss at the low of the peanut bar, that is a bullish candlestick before this strong aggressive breakout bar. So I am having my trailing stop to this my second trade on this asset. I have my stop loss trade to the low of this strong bullish bar, and then the first trade I took, I already traded the trade to break even, right? So this is how I'm approaching this asset, and based on the 4-hour chart, I'm still monitoring to see how price will react. How price will react to this pullback structure, right? So that is my view on the Euro USD. I'm still looking out for buy opportunity. I'm still looking out for buy opportunity on this asset. I'm still supporting the buy opportunity. So I'm going to be very, very careful to patiently wait to see how price is going to react, right? So that is my view on the Euro USD. So if you want to sell, if you are still selling right here, as well, you have to be very careful if you are selling this. So if you are selling the upper band structure right here, if you are selling the channel from this structure right here, although that is nice, you are trying to follow the downtrend. You are trying to follow the downtrend. That is still nice, but I'm not interested to sell right here. I'm not interested to sell, okay? I'll only be interested to sell when price can break below this lower band of this rising channel on the 4-hour chart, okay? Because I already have a long position on Euro USD, so it won't make sense for me to have a long position at the same time to have a short position. So if you're looking for a short position on the Euro USD, that means you are trying to play along to the direction of the trend. But based on what I can see, the close of price above the last low high swing right here made me to lose interest in shorting the Euro USD. As you can see on this downtrend right here, based on this falling channel, we have the higher high right here, we have the low high swing right here, we have the low high swing price close above this low high swing structure right here. So right here, I don't want to sell, okay? So this is why I'm still looking out for a buy sentiment on the Euro USD. As well, let's go through the silver and gold. Silver and gold. This is gold. Based on gold, I am not interested to sell gold. I'm only looking out for how price will react to this swings high at the price of the 1,946 price level. Can see that? So this is a resistance structure right here. A broken resistance structure has a tendency to turn into a support structure for price. So I want to see how price will react to this level structure right there. So if you are trying to short the gold, take note there is this potential support structure which is almost close to the sell-off in this resistance structure. So based on this pattern right here, the risk to reward ratio, no, it's not kind of encouraging for me because the entry is kind of too close to a structure, right? The entry right here is closer to a potential support level. So this is why I still don't want to sell gold. I'll be only be interested to see when price break out. If price can make a retest and the validation that this is a new resistance for price, then that is when I'll be looking to join this downtrend, right? But for now, I am not interested to short gold. As well, let's check on silver. Silver as well, I can figure out a test of this rising channel which was being broken right here, but I am not comfortable. I am not interested to sell silver as well. I'm not interested to sell silver. I am not just selling. I won't just sell based on just trend line break or break of trend line alone or based on Fibonacci retracement level. I can only figure out like two confluence factors right there. So this confluence factor is kind of too low to my own trading strategy. So I want to figure out at least minimum of 4 confluence factors before I can sell right here. So based on these reasons, I am not looking out to sell. I don't so much believe in trend line. Trend line is a kind of a deceptive tool in technical analysis. It is better you blend other factors with your trend line break. I don't just want to trade alone based on trend line break. The more confluence factors I can find supporting a trend line break, that is what determines if I'm going to take the trade setup or not. So on silver, I'm not interested to sell. I'm not interested to sell on silver, right? So let's go through some other assets I still have on my list. Let's go through the Euro Canada. Euro Canada. Based on Euro Canada, this is the day chart. The Euro Canada, this is the day chart right here. And I am currently monitoring this asset to see if we can get a trade opportunity on this asset. Can see that we have a downward swing right from this high structure all the way down. This is a downward swing, and we have an application of our Fibonacci retracement tool from the last low high swing all the way down to the swing lower low structure right there. Gives us that price is currently trading at the 0.618 retracement level. You can see that price is currently trading at the 0.618 retracement level. So if you want to take this trade setup right here, you as well have to be very careful of the support structure which acts at the price of the 1.44626. This support structure also acts at the 0.5 retracement level. So you have to be very, very careful right there if you want to short downward. So it is better to wait for the end of daily close of candlestick on this price action right there before you can decide to sell or to buy. So I'm going to share with you traders how my final view, my final decisions on Euro Canada in the Telegram group. If you are yet to join the Telegram group, use the link in the description of this live stream. Okay, so for now I'm still focusing my attention on Euro Canada. I have Euro Canada on my watch list. I want to see what the end of candlestick would turn out to, right? So if we can see a bearish close of price down below this Fibonacci retracement level, then nice. So I will start focusing what to do based on I will focus my attention next on the 4-hour chart. You can see that this is what we have on the 4-hour chart. We still have this uptrend rally on the 4-hour chart. So if you can see this, we still need to see a change of market structure. So this is still going to take like few days, like 1 or 2 days, right? So I don't just want to jump in at the top right here to sell, because the trend, the market structure we have on the 4-hour chart is still a bullish market structure. You can see price is still carving higher low swings and then higher high structure. You can see that higher high structure. So price could gravitate down from this structure right there and then find rejection from the support structure right there and continue its uptrend. So this is why I don't want to sell right here based on the Euro Canada. So this could turn to a high low structure, and this could be higher high structure on Euro Canada. This is why I'm very careful. I don't want to just short on Euro Canada. Well, anyways, I have this asset on my watch list and I'm currently monitoring to see how price is going to react to the 0.618 and the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. So let's check out other assets I have on my list. On my list, I have the Euro Australian dollar. Let's go through the Euro Australian dollar. Euro Australian dollar. Okay. So based on what we have on the Euro Australian dollar, you can see the chart right here. You can see the chart is in an uptrend. The market is in an uptrend. Right from the swing low right here, we have price in an uptrend. The uptrend still continue upward. So what are we looking at for? I can see price trading at a previous resistance structure, which must be broken right here. So this level has the potential to serve as a resistance for price. So there's a kind of a pattern formation which could occur right here. You can see that. So I'm currently looking at to see how price react to this level. If the bears can ensure a strong bearish close of price below this no key level structure at the price of the 1.67883 today on the Australian dollar, that is on European, because in the Australian dollar, this could interest more sellers to set in to pull price all the way down to test the trend line structure we had below. You can see that. So I have the euro paired against the Australian dollar on my watch list, right? And as well, we have a kind of a potential narrow wedge. See that? So I have the euro paired against the Canadian dollar on my list. I'm still monitoring to see how price reacts to the key level structure of the 1.67883. It all depends on what I can see at the end of close of price today that will determine my trading decision on this asset. So whatever I'm going to do, I will always share with traders in my Telegram group. Right, guys, this is all I have for you in this live stream. If you guys have any suggestion, any assets you want us to analyze, you can make your suggestion through the chat box. Okay, you guys can make suggestions through the chat box. You guys can make suggestions through the chat box. You guys can make suggestions through the chat box, right? If there's any asset you guys want us to analyze, you can suggest through the chat box. As you all know, I don't like to spend too much time on analysis. I like short videos. Okay, let's go to the US oil market. Let's go to the US oil. Let's go to the oil market. Oil market. Let's go to the oil market. This is the oil market. You can see I'm still looking out for a pullback. This is the uptrend on the day chart. The lower band of the channel has been broken down. We have a retest. I still want more confirmation. Consider so the support structure at the price of the 85.58 is still serving as support for price. Consider so I still want price to give us another swing low to this level structure right there, and then a rejection down before we can short. Anyways, I already closed my sell limit above, even though the sell limit was not yet triggered. The sell limit has not yet been activated, right? I placed the sell limit because during the market could actually pull back during my sleeping hours, so I don't want to miss the trend right there. This is why I set a sell limit order. After waking up this morning, I closed the sell limit order, and then I want to manually make an entry. I want to see how price is reacting before I can get into sell right there. So today I still have the US oil on my list, and I want to see how price will react to the pullback structure. If price can pull back to this structure right there, if I can see a very strong bearish rejection down, then I'll be looking for sell. So that would be an inverted, that would be an upright head and shoulder chart pattern structure right here, and this would be the neckline. So this is the neckline structure right here. So this is what I have on US oil. This is what I have on the US oil market. Okay, so guys, let me know your view. If there's any of the analysis you guys find difficult to understand, you guys can let me know through the comment section. And as well, you guys can suggest any asset you want us to analyze in the comment section. Put down your comment, any asset you want us to analyze through the live chat, right? You guys can suggest any asset you want us to analyze through the live chat, right? Can always make suggestions, any asset you want us to analyze through the live chat. Someone said, what is your view on gold? That from the Facebook page. I already stated my analysis on gold. This is what I have on gold. I stated I'm not yet looking for a sell on gold. Not yet selling on gold. Not yet selling on gold. This is what I have on gold. Not yet selling on gold. Gold is still an uptrend. You can see the trend line. Gold is still in an uptrend. Let's check to the 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour chart. Gold is still in an uptrend. This is not yet a confirmed bearish breakout. The uptrend is still active. Right from the swing low right here, you can see the rejection right here. Price gravitated upward. So I am not make an entry. I won't make an entry right here. If I were you, I will never sell right here, because bearish trend is not yet confirmed on gold, right? So price could still make a sharp bullish close above the structure, and then this could be a false breakout, a false bearish breakout, and the trend will continue higher. As well, if you are looking for buy opportunity on Euro USD, I see no reason why you should be selling gold, because if you are selling gold, it means technically you believe US dollar is strong. And if you are buying GBP or Euro against the USD, it means you believe that USD is strong. So if you are buying GBP or Euro and you are at the same time selling gold against the USD, then you are trading against yourself. Don't trade against yourself, right? Good. So that is all I want to share with you guys. If you guys have any suggestion, you can make your suggestion through the comments or through the live chat box. Any suggestion, any asset you want us to analyze, any asset, you can type any asset you want us to analyze through the live chat comment section, right? You guys can make suggestion, any asset you want us to analyze through the live chat, all right? So I'm getting back to the Telegram group. You guys can meet me back in the Telegram group. So we have more information, more things to discuss in the Telegram group. If you are here to join the Telegram group, use the link in the description of this live stream. Thank you guys. So that is all for today on the YouTube.